So yes guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to hide your taskbar here in your Windows 11. So it also works for Windows 10. So scroll straight to my taskbar and click anywhere on my taskbar. Right click anywhere on my taskbar and click on taskbar settings. So I'll be clicking on taskbar settings, and once it is open, I'll just have to scroll down and locate taskbar behaviors. So taskbar behaviors where I'll be locating. I'm going to click on this and you can see automatically hide the taskbar. Tick that. So once you tick that, you can see that your taskbar is gone. Well, to get your taskbar, you just have to scroll down to your taskbar area and it's going to come up back so you can see it. So this is how to automatically hide your taskbar here in Windows 11 Pro. So you can do this also for Windows 10 Pro, and you can see that you're going to hide your taskbar. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.